Nikon iPhone wired connection. Step 1. Launch the Piufoto app. Click into your Piu album. Select Upload at the bottom. Choose Camera wired connection. In the upper right corner, you can choose 3 upload modes: manual upload, auto upload, and marked upload. Now we will take auto upload as an example. You can click the bottom left corner to choose the photo resolution. Step 2. Camera settings. Set the camera power for maximum time. Select JPEG for the image format. Turn off Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, FTP transfer. Step 3. Connect your iPhone and camera using the dedicated Piufoto data cable. Now, you can start taking and uploading photos in real time. Piufoto. Photos can fly.